we also have access the bone-chilling details of the victim's ordeal, who stated in a complaint that the accused in this particular case, named Monojit, threatened to kill my partner, that he threatened to get my parents arrested, he made videos while raping me, he tried hitting me with a hockey stick. Those are some of the damning claims being made in the complaint against the prime accused in this particular matter, a man named Monojit Mishra. Let me go across to Hridita now for more on this. Hridita, of course, the accused in this particular matter have been sent to police custody for a period of 3 to 4 days until the 1st of July is what we're being told. But there is a clamour and, of course, a demand on the part of several people in Kolkata, including the opposition BJP, that this particular investigation currently being conducted by the West Bengal police be handed over to the CBI, because the prime accused in this particular case allegedly has affiliations to the ruling TMC party.
Absolutely, Siddharth. As we see that on 5th June, Thursday night, at around 7:30, this incident took place in the center of Kolkata at the Koshba area in one of the prominent law colleges out here, where this first-year student was threatened to be was raped. Firstly, she was raped by this main accused called Monojit Mishra, who is again one of the youth wing presidents in the very college out here. Also, as we understand from the complaint that she had filed, that from the period in between 7:30 to 8:50, that incident on that very night had taken place. Firstly, it started from the union room. In the union room, where she was given inappropriate proposals by this very person. When she rejected to it, she was tried. There was a trial of heckling. There was a trial to heckle her. Also, after that, when she moved, then she was moved from that room. While she was moved, she was taken to the guard room. Next, in that guard room, they overthrown the guard, they overpowered the guard, asked him to move out, and this other two persons, Pratim Mukhopadhyay and Zeb Ahmed, as we understand, who are the current students of this very university, along with this Monojit Mishra, who is a former student, along being a staff of this college at the moment, was allowed to enter the room. They overthrew the guard. Zeb and Pratim guarded and came out to lock the door and see that nobody enters this room. And after which we see that the rape happened inside the guard room at around 8:50, as the complaint stated. Also, as other parts of the complaints come up front now, that we understand that this girl's video while she was raped was made, and also said that if she speaks out, then this
we also
video...
have, Hridita, I just need to interrupt you there for a